Good morning student, Miss Rita here. Today in this video we are going to learn class 9 subject geometry, chapter number 9, surface area and volume. So let's study in this chapter what we are going to study. The new concepts are surface area of a cone, volume of a cone, surface area of a sphere and volume of a sphere. Now student, let's recall what we have learned in the lower classes. First of all, cuboid, the shape you can see on the screen. So it is in the three-dimensional shape, means the shape is seen by the three direction, length, breadth and height. So here L stand for the length, B stand for the breadth and H stand for the height. The first formula is area of vertical surface of a cuboid. So here we are going to consider only 4 faces of a cuboid. So top and bottom faces we will not consider in this. So our formula is 2 length plus breadth into height. Now second one is total surface area of a cuboid. That is 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. So here we consider only 6 surfaces. And the last one is volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height. So these 3 formulas are there in this cuboid. First one is vertical surface of a cuboid and second one is total surface area of cuboid and the last one is volume of a cuboid. The second shape is cube. Cube is like a square but it is a 3-dimensional shape. Here all the length, breadth and height are equal in length. So here we consider edges L. L is the edges of a cube. So total surface area of a cube is 6L square because we consider 6 faces. The area of a vertical surface of a cube is 4L square. Here we consider 4 faces or we can say 4 surfaces. Volume of cube is L cube. The third one is cylinder. This is also you have learned in the lower class. This is the shape of cylinder. Vertical curved surface area is 1 and 2 circular faces top and bottom. So here radius of a cylinder is R and height is H. Curved surface area of cylinder is formula is 2 pi R and H. As we know 2 pi R stands for the circumference also. Now, second one is total surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi R, R plus H. And volume of a cylinder is pi R square H. So these all 3 concepts, cube, cuboid and cylinders, formula you have to write in the notebook with the figure. Let's move to our exercise number 9.1. And the question number 1 is given, length, breadth and height of a cuboid shape box of a medicine is 20 cm, 12 cm and 10 cm respectively. Find the surface area of vertical faces and total surface area of this box. The length, breadth and height is given, so it is a cuboid shape. So here we have to find 2 things, surface area of vertical faces and total surface area of this box. So whatever information we have to write first that. And we will write the formula for the surface area of a vertical faces of a box. So we have 2 length plus breadth into height. Substitute the value of length, breadth and height. First of all we will add the bracket one. So 20 plus 12 is 32. So 32 2 is 64 into 10 we get 640 square centimeter. Here we have to put square because we have got the area. Therefore, the surface area of vertical faces of a box is 640 square centimeter. The second one we have to find, student, the total surface area of a box. So formula is 2 in bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Now substitute the value. So 20 into 12 we get 240, 12 into 10 we get 120 and 20 into 10 we get 200. So addition of 240 plus 120 plus 200 we get 560. So 2 multiplied by 560 we get 1120 square centimeter. Therefore the total surface area of a box is 1120 square centimeter. Understood? Okay, now let's move to the question number 2. The second one is given. Total surface area of a box of a cuboid shape is 500 square unit. It means already it is given total surface area of a box. If length and height is 6 units and 5 units respectively, what is the length of that box? So here we have the area, we have the length, and we have the height. So length we have to find, breadth is given. So what we have, the surface area of a box. So we'll write the formula: total surface area of a box equal to 2 length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Substitute the value. Area we have 500 equal to 2. Length we don't have, the L into 6, breadth is 6 plus 6 into 5 plus 5 into L. So the 2 will go to the left side, become divide, 500 divided by 2. So in the bracket we have to solve. 6 into L is 6L plus 6 5 is 30. 5 into L we get 5L. 500 divided by 2 we get 250 equal to 6L plus 5L we get 11L plus 30. Now plus 30 will go to the left side, become minus 30. So 250 minus 30 equal to 11L. After doing subtraction we get here 220 equal to 11L. 11L is given in the multiplication form, so 11 will go to the left side, become divide. 220 divided by 11 equal to L. Now cut this number, 11 1 is 11, 11 2 is 22, 11 0 is 0. So length we get 20. Therefore the length of the box is 20 units. Yes, centimeter is not given, students, so here unit is given. So we have to write units. Understood? Okay. Next question is question number 3. Side of a cube is 4.5 centimeter. Find the surface area of all vertical faces and total surface area of the cube. So as we know, in the cube, L stands for the edges of a square. So here we have to find the surface area of all vertical faces and total surface area of the cube. Write the formula for the length of the vertical faces of a cube is 4L square. Substitute the value of L, 4.5 ka square. 4.5 means stand for 45 only. 45 into 45 we get how much? 2025. So after one number decimal means it become after two number decimal. Now 20.25 multiplied by 4 we get 81. We have to put decimal after two number. Now the second one, it is asked the total surface area of a cube. Total surface area means we have the 6 surfaces. So we are using the formula 6L square equal to 6 into 4.5 ka square. 4.5 ka square we already have 20.25. Now we have to multiply by 6. What we get? 121.50 square centimeter. The total surface area of a cube is 121.50 square centimeter. The next one is given. Question number 4. Total surface area of a cube is 5400 square centimeter. So here total surface area of a cube is given. We have to find the surface area of vertical faces. With the help of total surface area, we will get the value of length. That length we can use in the surface area of vertical faces. So total surface area of a cube formula is what? 6L square. So we have already 5400 equal to 6L square. The 6 is given in the divide multiplication form, so it will become divide to the left side. 5400 divided by 6 equal to L square. 6 1 is 6, 6 9 is 54, 6 0 is 0, 6 0 is 0. Here we get 900 equal to L square. So the square will go to the left side, becomes square root, taking square root both the side. So 900 is the square of which number? For example, 9 is the square of 3. Square root of 9 is 3. 2 0 become 10. So the answer is 30. So here we got the length. Now this length we can use the surface area of all vertices. The formula is 4xl square equal to 4 multiplied by 30 ka square. 30 ka square what we got? 900, right? 900 into 4 we get how much? 3600 square centimeter. Good. Understood? This is a part 1. Part 2 soon I will upload on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.